Welcome to our exciting exploration of n8n, the powerful tool that automates workflows with ease. If you've ever wanted to streamline your tasks or integrate different applications seamlessly, n8n is the solution for you. This open source automation tool makes it simple to create workflows that can save you time and effort. Today, we'll dive into what n8n is, its numerous applications, and the advantages it brings to your projects. First off, let's break down what n8n actually is. n8n, which stands for NodeMation, is a free and open source workflow automation tool that helps you connect various services and automate repetitive tasks. With its user-friendly interface, n8n allows you to create integrations between different applications without needing extensive coding knowledge. You can easily visualize your workflows using a node-based design containing triggers, actions, and events that react to changes in your systems, thereby facilitating efficient data handling. Now, let's discuss some of the most impactful applications of n8n. You can use it to automate tasks across various platforms, such as sending notifications when a particular event occurs, managing customer data, or even synchronizing files between cloud storage services. Whether it's connecting your CRM with your email marketing tool or automatically updating your spreadsheets, n8n really shines in its versatility. For instance, if you run an online store, you can set up workflows that send new customer info to your email marketing service and then create tasks in your project management tool, all triggered by a new sale. Another significant advantage of n8n is its capability to work with hundreds of different applications. With over 200 community-contributed integrations, the possibilities for automation are nearly limitless. This diversity fosters a collaborative environment where you can find or share workflows that suit your specific needs. Additionally, being an open-source tool, n8n allows developers to create custom nodes, enhancing functionality to fit unique business requirements. Not only does this promote innovation, but it also ensures that users have access to the latest tools and methods in automation. Finally, let's discuss the user experience. n8n's intuitive interface is designed with efficiency in mind. You can easily drag and drop nodes to build your workflows visually, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Plus, its built-in error handling and version control features allow you to troubleshoot and refine your automation processes without hassle. As you explore n8n, you'll discover that it does more than just save time. It empowers you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business or nurturing your projects. In conclusion, n8n is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance productivity through automation. Its wide range of applications, powerful integrations, and user-friendly interface make it an essential asset in your workflow toolkit. Whether you are a developer, entrepreneur, or simply someone who wishes to reduce repetitive tasks from daily routines, n8n has something to offer you. We're just scratching the surface, so let's dive deeper into this fantastic resource in our upcoming videos where we'll guide you through setting up your first workflow.